Donald Trump gave a sworn deposition to lawyers from the office of New York Attorney General Letitia James on Wednesday, as part of the state of New York's long-running probe into his company's business practices. However, the former president claims that he pleaded the Fifth Amendment for nearly every question presented to him. The only question he actually answered was about his name. Trump infamously derided others over the years for invoking their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Let's take a look at some of his assertions over the years.
Taking the Fifth, I think it's disgraceful.
What happened? He pleaded the Fifth, right? He pleaded the Fifth Amendment.
Fifth Amendment, Fifth Amendment, Fifth Amendment. Horrible. Horrible.
The mob takes the Fifth. If you're innocent, why are you taking the Fifth Amendment?
For months prior to testifying to her office, former President Donald Trump called New York Attorney General Letitia James a racist attorney general, saying she campaigned on how we're going to go get Donald Trump. The sworn deposition marks the latest chapter of James's civil probe into whether Trump fraudulently inflated the value of his real estate holdings. In a lengthy statement following his testimony Wednesday, Trump defended his decision to plead the Fifth, stating, "I once asked, if you're innocent, why are you taking the Fifth Amendment? Now I know the answer to that question. When your family, your company, and all the people in your orbit have become targets of unfounded, politically motivated witch hunts, supported by lawyers, prosecutors, and the fake news media, you have no choice. Under the advice of my counsel and for all the above reasons, I decline to answer the questions under the rights and privileges afforded to every citizen under the United States Constitution." Legal experts are responding to Donald Trump's claim that he pleaded the Fifth while under oath on Wednesday. Some are claiming New York Attorney General Letitia James's case against the former president is now even stronger, and many are arguing the former president's decision could create an impression among a potential jury that he has something to hide. Former federal prosecutor Renato Mariotti explains Trump was right to take the Fifth, but that decision has consequences. While his silence can't be used against him in a criminal case, it can be used against him in the Attorney General's civil case. If he's sued, jurors may be instructed they should presume his answers would have hurt him. Attorney Tristan Snell, who successfully prosecuted the Trump University case for the New York Attorney's Office, offers more insight, saying this is a civil case, so the court can draw an inference of liability. This is exactly what the Attorney General was hoping to achieve. The case is now even stronger. Other observers are also suggesting Trump's sit-down with James may signal the probe is in its final stages. After all, the 11-hour interview by James of former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo was one of the last stops before she released her final report on his alleged sexual misconduct and attempts to silence victims. And that report ultimately led to his resignation in 2021. Trump stands to face a possible criminal indictment by Attorney General James at the conclusion of the probe. In a statement following the deposition, her office said, "Attorney General James will pursue the facts and the law wherever they may lead. Our investigation continues." Stay tuned for updates, and thank you for watching Raw Story TV. Please be sure to visit us at rawstory.com, stay informed, and tap below to take action by liking, subscribing, and joining all those who like their news raw.